Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Which one of the following groups of three animals each is correctly matched with their one characteristic morphological feature? So here the names of organisms are given and here the morphological feature is given. So we have to find the correct match. So first is scorpion, spider and cockroach. So they all are the members of phylum Arthropoda because they all have jointed legs or jointed appendages. As you can see in case of insect legs, there are joints. So this jointed appendages is a characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Now it is given that ventral solid central nervous system. So arthropods are non-chordates. When we say they are non-chordates, it means they do not have a notochord at any stage of their life. So they do not have a notochord, and this notochord is a rod-like flexible mesodermally derived structure. Means it is derived from mesoderm layer and it is present in some animals. The animals which are having this notochord at any stage of their life, they are called the chordates. But in case of arthropods, there is no notochord at any stage of life, so they are the non-chordates. And one special feature of non-chordates is that they have the nervous system, if they have. So nervous system, if found, because in all non-chordates nervous system is not there, but the organisms with the nervous system have it on their ventral side. It means the nervous system is present on the ventral side of the body and it is solid and it is single, means it is double. So presence of a double, solid and ventral nerve cord or nervous system is a characteristic feature of non-chordates. So scorpion, spider and cockroach, they are arthropods or they are non-chordates. So they have a nervous system which is, means they have a nerve cord which is found on the ventral side. It is solid inside and it is this part of their central nervous system. So this one is correct. Now let's see other three matches also. So cockroach, locust, tinea. So cockroach and locust, they are the members of phylum Arthropoda, but tinea or tapeworm, it is a flatworm or it is a member of phylum Platyhelminthes. So metameric segmentation. So metameric segmentation means body is divided into segments. And these segments are formed during embryonic stage. And these segments are both external as well as internal. Means body is divided into segments both externally as well as internally. So such a phenomenon is called metamerism or metameric segmentation. Now this feature is found in three phyla and these are phylum Annelida. Second is Arthropoda. And third is phylum Chordata. In chordates you can see the this metamerism in human beings also, as six pegs abs in some human beings and the vertebral column, the arrangement of vertebrae and ribs. So they have segmental arrangement. So this indicates their metamerism. But in tapeworm there is no metamerism. In tapeworm had segments, but these segments are not true because they are formed throughout the life and they are formed from the neck region. So these segments are only external, so we cannot count it as metamerism. So this is discarded. Now the third option is liver fluke, sea anemone and sea cucumber. So liver fluke is a flatworm again. Sea anemone, Adamsia, it is a member of phylum Coelenterata. And sea cucumber, this is a member of phylum Echinodermata. So flatworms and coelentrates and echinoderms, these three belong to different phyla. Now in flatworms the symmetry is bilateral. So when we say bilateral symmetry, it means body can be divided into two halves similar house by only one plane, because the arrangement of body part is such that the body is divided into two similar house by only one plane. So such a symmetry is called bilateral symmetry. But in case of coelentrates and echinoderms, the symmetry is radial, as the body parts are arranged in such a way that more than one plane can divide the body into two similar halves. So this is also incorrect. Now the fourth option is centipede, prawn and sea urchin. So centipede is the member of phylum Arthropoda. Prawn is also a crustacean and it is also a member of phylum Arthropoda. But sea urchin or echinus, it is a member of phylum Echinodermata. Now both these centipede and prawn, they have jointed appendages, but in sea urchin jointed appendages are not there, so this is incorrect. So out of these, the only correct statement is option A. So it is our right answer. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.